What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Pleased to bring you another video here today. And in today's video, I'm just going to be giving you guys the runaround of what's happened to me. And we'll also just be taking a look into Hyliion and what's going on with them. Once again, I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel so far. Your feedback is beyond appreciated. I couldn't do it without you guys. The growth this channel is experiencing has been set to a halt because of some individual hackers out there, but that's all right. We just passed 15,000 subscribers, so I just want to say thank you. And I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. I post a lot in that chat room. I want you to understand I'm on there daily, and I post anywhere from 5 to 10 times. So if you want to get all the updates on all the Spac options that we're playing, all the options are listed in there. And we also stay up to date on all of the market fluctuations as well as what's going on with all the hottest stocks. Most importantly, only if you feel this video gives you a little better insight on shell Hyliion towards the end of the video after I get done going over what's happened with me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated whenever I come back and Google gets everything fixed because this is messed up. Alright, first off, I want to say thank you to everyone that has reached out to me in the DMs, comments, etc. It's been a really frustrating past 4 days with everything that's been going on. And I want to say thanks big time. It means a lot to me. I'm trying my best to help out as many people as I can in the stock market and learn tips that will save them a lot of money down the road. But I have to address some of these haters and all these comments. You know, it's been pretty annoying, so I'll just cover everything so everyone can get a good grasp on what's been going on. Some people think that I'm not posting because of the sell-off that happened last week and that I'm running because there was a crash. What are you guys smoking? I literally was telling people to buy more last week because I knew that 3-day crash was some garbage social media news, Twitter political nonsense that was not going to last long. But hey, some people believed in it and sold for a loss. I'm sorry, but hey, if you were my Patreon, you would likely be up big on anything. I had a guy buy in exactly when I said buy in when Hyliion hit around $30. He bought some call options. 15 minutes later, he's up 7 grand when the stock bounced up 12 bucks to 45. But hey, whatever, I'm probably telling a lie, you know, from what the haters think. You need to understand, I have been robbed of $6,000. YouTube pays out monthly. This Vietnamese wannabe hacker sent 1 million bots to 3 of my videos, triggering an automatic shutdown. I was banned from Google advertisement program and had all of my funds that I was about to get paid out taken away. 1 hour later, YouTube says I have been banned from the YouTube partnership as well. You need to know, click bombing has been going on for 20 years. And you're telling me YouTube and Google still can't figure it out and have that stuff filtered out? Nope. All YouTubers are still at risk of this happening. And there was another YouTuber that got click bombed by the same guy as me. This as well happened on the same day as me. His name is Connor Invest. He's 19. This guy got him banned as well. Sent the same bot activity to his channel. I don't even want to. Every time I start thinking about it, guys, you don't understand how frustrating I get. I was on a freaking roll. This channel was about to hit. This channel will probably be at 20,000 subs right now if this 4 or 5 day setback didn't happen. And I'm still waiting on Google. You have to understand, this stuff takes time. This is very serious. Google advertisement, these people pay millions of dollars, billions of dollars in advertisements, and they got to make sure their money is right. And these bots and spam activity robots, they lose money. Google's going to lose money because these advertisers, you know, aren't getting what they paid for, and that's why they shut me down. And it sucks because I didn't do anything wrong. This is just more for the haters, all right? This is just more for the haters. Why would I not post videos? I get paid to post amazing content for you guys. Why would I not want to post? I don't know if some people are just miserable or not having nothing going for them, but I'm the one getting screwed and robbed for absolutely nothing. My account is under investigation. That's why I'm not posting, because I'm trying to kill all my analytics so that Google will have an easier time of reviewing my channel. And I have a lot of people say, if you really got hacked, click bomb, prove it, and I'll sign up for the Patreon. Well, guess what? You're about to sign up today. I'm going to prove it to you right now. We're going to take a look into my YouTube analytics, and I'm going to show you how much I actually made in around 1 month of YouTube being monetized. Wait, I mean how much I've been robbed. And I'll show you also where the click bombing happened and exactly what triggered Google to shut me down as well as YouTube. All right, guys, we have the YouTube analytics pulled up, and basically the bottom here is the revenue per day. So you can see if you click on a day, I made $300, $200, $220, $270, $160. So you guys can see I average around $200 when I post videos, okay? Right around $200. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower. It's all over the place. So I get paid about $200 a day. So that's what? Right around $6,000, okay? So I make right around $6,000 a month posting YouTube videos if I post one video a day. We can see right here something very fishy happened, okay? Check this out. September 19th, everything was nice and dandy. September 20th, fine. $5,000 in one day? I've never made over $350. $11,000 in one day? What am I, 10 million subs? $28,000 in one day on YouTube posting a video? I only get 20,000 views. How can I make $28,000? So guys, as you can see exactly what happened. He click-bombed the shit out of me. He's a fucking scammer. He ruined my YouTube channel. I don't even know if I'm gonna get this thing back. It sucks. So this is what happens. This is the nasty part of YouTube, and you don't even want to understand how pissed I've been these past couple of days because this guy stole all of my videos. He was stealing my videos on 4 different YouTube channels. I striked him on like 20 different strikes, you know, copyright him because he's stealing my content. This guy's messaging me, you better unstrike these strikes or I'm gonna mess your channel up. I'm gonna ban you. I'm gonna have 1,000 clicks per minute sending bots. You know, I thought he was joking. You know, I thought he was just upset. This guy was not messing around. He's a little bit smarter than I thought, but personally, you don't have to be that intelligent to send bots to a YouTube account. And I really thought YouTube had filters in place for this type of stuff, and I didn't have to deal with it, but guess not. So we go a little bit lower. We can take a look at my videos. We go to revenue. So guys, all of these videos are my hard work and hours staying up on top of having a full-time job where I sometimes work over 40 hours a week doing this daily for you guys, you know, to keep you up to date on the stock market. All these are legitimate, my money that I have not got paid. 200, 200, 300, 300, 300, 300, 300. This is what I make daily on YouTube. As you can see, this guy completely fucked my channel on these 3 videos. 25 grand, 15 grand, 5 grand. And you guys know I like to keep it very professional, but it's hard to keep my composure when I'm getting screwed and there's a chance that I might lose my channel because I've been looking up. A lot of people have been losing their channel. So this guy knows what he's doing. He probably has done it to a lot of people. So this is the nasty part of YouTube right here. 25 grand, 15 grand, 5 grand. He click-bombed the shit out of me, and it makes me sick. And it also makes me sick how he did that to a 19-year-old kid that's on his way, you know, to be making $100,000 a year, Connor Invest. So it's just disgusting, people like this, and I don't even know what's going to happen. I'm trying to hope for the best, but now you guys know what happened, and I'm still waiting on Google. You cannot call Google on the phone. These guys are strictly 100% offline. You cannot get in contact with Google. Everything is filing, paperwork, appeals, claims. These guys are like ghosts. You cannot get a hold of them. They make the call whenever they feel like it, and it's completely up to them. So now you guys seeing, and you guys that thought I was BS, and you better sign up for the Patreon because I'm not playing. This guy screwed me. All right, now we're going to get back to the stock market world because, you know, even if this channel does get screwed on, I'm still going to try and post videos. You know, you guys support me a lot in the Patreon, and I really do appreciate it. You know, it's going to give me more motivation to post more. Even if Google screws me, I don't really care. I'll try to make another channel. That guy will probably screw me on that channel, but it's whatever. You guys really have my back on the Patreon, and I really do appreciate it. I do still plan on going full-time YouTube in the next couple of weeks, so we just got to see how things played out. So I listened to the virtual hearing audio with Hyliion. I also voted on the proposal last week. All the proposals got passed besides one. It was proposal 3. One of the big time Utah investors was having trouble. So it was more of an emotional thing he was having. And so basically that big time investor wants to make sure his money is in the green. He wants to make sure power and order is divided equally. That's pretty much the best way to put it. He wants Shell to go over the specific proposal again. That specific proposal was delayed 48 hours until Wednesday. Thomas Healy did post on his Twitter after the first meeting that he expects to be trading as Hyliion on Friday. Just go onto his Twitter, go to Thomas Healy, and you'll see this specific video right here. Play this video, and he's pretty hyped. He says this thing's going to be going live Friday. We're going to be trading live Friday. I think that Friday is an excellent choice as well. I actually thought it was going to be Friday regardless of a delay or not, because I feel like that weekend is going to build up a lot of FOMO, a lot of people thinking about it, a lot of people wanting to get in for long term as well as short-term swing trades. So there's going to be all types of different variety of investors hopping in over the weekend. And we'll be going in further what I expect the target price to be. So I don't expect max target price until October 6th. So just a guess, nothing crazy. I feel like this could potentially play out this way. I'm ready to get rid of these options and buy more stocks. We can take a quick look at the stock, double check where my options are as of today, right now as well. So we're just looking at the last week of Shell Hyliion. You can see right here, it was about $50, and that sell-off when everybody was bashing me that I was running and stuff like that, you know, it hit about $33, I believe. I think this is a little bit inaccurate because it was pre-market. It was about $33, and everyone was freaking out. I was telling people to buy in. A lot of people are up big now that did buy in, so congratulations to you. And right now, since that day, the 24th, I mean, we've just been going up since here. This is exactly what I predicted, guys. These sell-offs do not faze me as well. I can't physically print money in your pockets, but I can help you guys not sell off, you know, and save you money if you bought in. That's what I do. You know, I make sure you guys make the right decisions, and we've just been up on the way here. We're sitting at about, it looks like $50 pre-market, because look, my finger's not even on a thing. So we're at $50 pre-market leading up to Tuesday. So price targets, I mean, it can be all over the place, guys. I mean, like I said, I expect this thing to be potentially 90-plus stock. I mean, it might not happen this week. I'm talking next Tuesday. I think this thing's going to max out. It's going to 90-plus. This is the biggest Spac stock we've seen as far as volume, people buying in, FOMO. It's going to be crazy. And for those people that sold off or, you know, got scared, you know, that it's tough because you got to have discipline in the stock market, especially when you're playing options. So we'll take a look at my options right now, and I'm doing decent. I mean, you got to remember, this stock is already seeing like 57 bucks. I'm up 12 grand right now at around $50. So if we just get back to our base price, I'm going to be back up like 18 grand just like that. So I don't expect this thing to be near the $57 range. I expect a lot higher. So, you know, I've seen all kinds of dips. You know, I've seen 25 grand. Last week when I hit 33, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I was up like 1,500 bucks. Did I sell? No. Boom. 10 minutes later, we're up $13. I'm being honest with you guys. I know what I'm doing. I don't get scared with these sell-offs. These are people that don't know what they're doing. These are day traders. These are people that are new investors. People that know what they're doing, they come in and clean up the scraps and buy in. I'm holding tight. I expect to off these in about a week, and I'm going to see some big money. I'm telling you. It's just a matter of time. If this stock was a penny stock or a shitty stock, this thing would have been plummeted already to 10, 20 bucks. We are not seeing that. We are seeing this thing hang around for the big show, so just get ready. In the Patreon right now, we have over 1,000 people in there. I go crazy in that thing. I post more than any other stock market channel that has Patreon. I have multiple call options available for you to consider for the rest of the year. Shell is our last October call. Then everything else from here on out is November, December, January, February. I will be able to notify you immediately when I sell my options as well as the very second. And you have to realize this is a timing game, and a few minutes of a stock dropping in options can cost you thousands. So that's just something to take into consideration as well. Once again, I want to say thanks for all the support. Without you guys, this channel will be nothing. Hopefully Google can figure it out and get me back up and running. I was on a roll, but the guy ruined everything for me, stole $6,000 from me. So just understand, just a little bit of time. I think this channel is going to turn around, and I'm going to be back to posting daily content for you guys, and I'm very excited. So thank you so much, and you guys have a great day.